Hey, congratulations on your new garden shed purchase. Today we're going to walk you through what you can expect on delivery day so you can start preparing for the arrival of your new shed. First things first, you'll receive a text message with a delivery window at least 2 to 3 days in advance. If you're not home to receive your shed, no need to stress, just give us the authority to leave and our guys will pop it in a safe place unless otherwise instructed. Also get a handy link to track your order online and receive live updates. Our delivery vans have a snazzy GPS tracker fitted so you can keep up to date with where they're up to on the drop-offs and how far away they are. When delivery day arrives, our friendly team will do their best to place your shed in the perfect spot. However, there are a few limitations. To ensure a smooth delivery, please make sure there's a clear 1 metre wide path outside to the location. As long as there's no four-legged friends on the loose or stairways, we've got you covered. Depending on the size of your order, you'll receive 1 to 3 flat packs. Everything you need is in there: hardware, sheeting, even those oh so helpful assembly instructions. And hey, if you went for the extra accessories, you'll find them in the sheeting box also. Now it's time to get started on building. Our advice is to go through all of the boxes and make sure you've got everything that you need to get started. Once that's confirmed, it's time to build it yourself. Or if you're short on time, look up an installer through Airtasker or other local channels. Remember, we're here to make life easy and your shed journey enjoyable. Happy shedding.